Hi everyone and welcome to my pasta art book. In this video we are making pin casarecce, one of 50 pasta recipes from my pasta art book. And yes, we are making the pasta from scratch. The dough is super easy. You just need 100 grams of semolina flour, 50 grams of beetroot puree, and that's it. Mix it together. Knead the dough until smooth and let it rest for 20 minutes. If you're not sure how to make the beetroot puree, check out my last video. I show you how to get the bright pink color. Well, let's roll out the dough. We are aiming for about 1-2 mm thick, nice and thin. Next, cut into long strips about 5 mm wide and 4 cm long. Now grab a tiny wooden rod, mine is 5 mm thick. Take one piece of dough, press it gently around the rod, then roll it into twists to shape the casarecce. It's fun, a little sticky and very satisfying. Repeat until all your pasta is shaped. While the pasta resting, let's make a quick sauce. Add 2 little splashes of olive oil to pan. Throw 1 clove of minced garlic and cook until it smells amazing. Then add 30 grams of beetroot puree. Yep, the same one we used for the dough. Stir and warm it up. Done. Meanwhile, cook the pasta in boiling water until al dente, approximately 2 minutes. Toss your cooked pasta in the sauce and look at the color. Now for fancy part, shave some fresh truffle on the top and sprinkle with green onion. Beautiful, right? And that's it. Pin casarecce, made from scratch, shaped by hand and finished with love. Try it yourself and enjoy every bite.